Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to deposit money in Polymarket from Binance. First, log into your Polymarket account. On the main dashboard, find and click the deposit button. Choose the option called Transfer Crypto. Select USDC as the token because Polymarket uses USDC for deposits. Next, choose the Polygon network as the chain. After that, the platform will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy this address carefully and make sure it is correct before moving to the next step. Now open the Binance app or website. Go to your wallet section and tap on Withdraw. Select USDC as the asset, or you can also use USDT since Polymarket will automatically convert it to USDC. Paste the deposit address you copied from Polymarket into the recipient field. Then, very important, select the Polygon network manually on Binance. This must match the network you chose earlier. Enter the amount you want to send and review all details carefully. Once everything looks correct, confirm the withdrawal and complete any security verification steps. After the withdrawal is processed, the funds will appear in your Polymarket account once the blockchain confirms the transaction. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can take longer depending on network traffic. Thanks for watching.